actually quite a lot of you got it right. So for this part here, all you need to do is we've got the question says from rest, yes, from rest to 5 meters. So we've been given, so we know that this value, it is 5 meters per second. We've been given the from rest, so that means this is 0 meters per second, and we've also been given the distance, which is 50. But it's in centimeters, so we must convert that. So this would be 50 divided by 100, which is 0 0.5, 0 0.5, 0 0.5 meters. Now rearrange the equation to make A the subject. So to make the A the subject, take these two the other side, so it will be V squared, take away U squared, divided by 2 times S. Alright, so the V squared would be 5 squared minus 0 squared divided by 2 times 0 0.5. Okay, we know that this would be 1, so it would be, and then this is obviously doesn't count, so 5 squared would be 25 divided by 1, so the answer acceleration would be 25 meters per second squared. All right.